Hello guys, what is up? Bkay here, and today I am bringing you my tutorial on my plugin, PixelmonGyms. So this was made for Pixelmon servers that have a gym system, and it enables them to broadcast when a certain gym is open or closed or on hold. Hold being when they're not accepting any more challenges for the time being. So this is the Bukkit dev page, and so the features are all gym leaders can broadcast them. The gym leaders have unique gyms, so they can only open one gym if they have that certain permission. All gym leaders have specific permission nodes, as I've just said. Challengers can see what gym leaders are on right now. So if they do gym list, then it displays all the current gym leaders that are online and what gym they are leader of. And you can also see what all the gyms that are open or closed. They default closed, but you can see them all in one command, in one list. There's a multi-type gym, so people that want to be more than one gym leader. Configurable broadcast message prefix. Here, instead of saying PixelmonGym, it doesn't have the quotes anymore, but basically that's fixed, and you can change that. And configurable gym names, you can change the name of the gym, and it will change in the broadcast and in the lists, which was in the latest version. Something to mention there is actually this version, free release, doesn't include the gym name in the list. That's in my latest version, which has been approved. Note here, 1.2 and 1.3 are pending approval. So some of the features here may not be in the download just yet. So make sure you either way. This is safe to get, but it doesn't have all the features. But if it says PixelmonGym version 10, then that is what you want for the file name. So the commands are gym, it shows all the available commands. Gym open, the gym, so whatever gym you want to open. Gym hold, so that's whatever gym you want to put on hold. Gym close, which gym you want to close. So you got a gym list, so it lists all the current gyms that are open and closed or on hold now. Gym leaders, so it lists all the online gym leaders, like I said, and then gym reload reloads the config, because I know MCPC does not support reloading, so reload was definitely a vital choice for me. So how the permissions work, so if a player, a gym leader, has a permission gym leader.leader, that's what enables them to do /gym open. And then if you give them also pixelgym.water, that means they can do /gym open water. So they must have the water permission node. That's pretty straightforward. And then basically, if I give the gym leader rock as well, that means you can open 2 gyms now. There's a current bug that it adds people to the multi-gym, like you can see here. They are both in the multi-gym when they're not meant to be. So that's just basically rewriting a bit of the code. And here are all the permission nodes: pixelgym.leader, reload, rock electric, all the types. Now, another thing with the permission nodes is when you change the names of your gym in the config, you still have to use the default permission nodes. I may end up changing the default gym permission nodes to like gym 1, gym 2, gym 3, but we'll see how it goes. Because actually in the config that's how it is: gym 1, gym 2, gym 3. Also, something else to note: this picture is not up to date. Basically, these, where it says null, that's what it used to default to, now in the latest version, they all default to closed, which is good. This is also missing gym hold on the picture, but yeah. So I do plan to add a few more bits to this in the future. But if we go over to the configuration, I'll do a quick run over of that, and after we've done this, we'll show a demonstration on a server. So config, so title PixelmonGym, that is the prefix of the chat. I don't know why I've just done this, but I was gonna, in fact, yeah. So if we do this, so I'm gonna demonstrate basically how you change things. So we do gym open rock as an example. I'm just waiting for this save to complete. There we go. So gym rock open, and then you can find the Bukkit plugin. This is just for a bit of advertising for me. I probably won't use it forever when it starts to take off, but it's new, so I thought that'd be quite a nice thing to have. So it says PixelmonGym. So say if you want that to have your server name, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your config. So let me just go to my config really quickly in my server. So I'm using FileZilla because I'm on a 24/7 host, and this is just a lot easier to do stuff. So when you start up the plugin, it will create a folder called PixelGym, and if you're updating, I suggest that you delete this folder, or at least delete the config. And if you've changed gym names, then you'll have to do them again, as far as I know, just to be safe. But it's worth it because you can just reload it anytime. So here we have this. Now commenting for some reason isn't working, so ignore this bit. So we have config title. So if I change this to, I don't know, SG Pixelmon, right, and I close it. Yep. And if I do /gym reload, and now it says SG Pixelmon instead, and then just to even prove that it is there, close SG Pixelmon. There you go. So now that's closed. Also, as you can see, when you open it, it's green, and the rock gym is grey. So they are color coded to the defaults, and I do plan on putting it away so you can color code it yourself for when you change the names and stuff. But for now, we'll leave it like this. And open is green, closed is red, hold is yellow. Well, people think it's actually open, that's a funny thing, but it just proves you that it's a broadcast and everyone's getting it, it's not just the sender. So now if you go back into the config, just add a local file. So you've got the gym names, so you're only going to change this bit. If you change this, it won't work. So if you want to change a gym name, just simply change it to flying or whatever you want, right? Also, you don't need to really touch these. This is just so the gym status is default to closed, so that's setting it to closed. It will change to open when you do the broadcasting game, so you don't need to worry about touching that. Just like leave it be. It's just reading it from that. So you can't add any more gyms either. I will add things in myself if I need to. That's fine. Let's click that. Oh shit. Right, so change it to flying, and change that. We'll do another one to dragon, right? So do this. Yep. Okay, and then do /gym reload, reloaded config. If you do /gym, we're gonna do gym list. So what was rock and water is now flying in gym, and it's all sitting closed. It's fine. So if you do /gym open flying, actually that's a good point. That's a good thing to know. Must be lowercase. I could ignore case, which I may do. Oh no, I've just realised. My bad. This is what I was on about with the default permission nodes as well. You have to type rock still. So what I may do is after this bit say default is rock, or to open so and so, but we'll see. I need to put in that somewhere that is clear, because even I just forgot and I made the balloon plugin. So it says the flying gym is now open, but in the rock colour. And then if we close it, then open water, the dragon gym is now open. Okay, so that's all that is. So now for leaders, I don't know if we've got our leaders on our current leader. No, we haven't. So if you do gym leaders, it's not going to show anyone yet. It just shows gym leaders. If I give you add P Mafia, why is it not coming taking his name? Mafia V PixelGym dot leader. So now he can do /gym open, but he can't open any gyms yet. So to enable to open a gym, you have to set him to a gym. So we'll do pixel rock. So as a test, I'll get him to do this now. Matthias do /gym open rock. Just waiting for it. And there you go. So it says. So there you go. That's that. So I'm just going to delete the permission for now. But as I said, so as you can see, it says it's the flying gym, even though it's the rock. So the default permission nodes do that basically. So you have to stick to them until I find out another way. DLP. DLP. So that's just about it. As I say, I'll be adding a lot more features to it. But it's a pretty cool thing. I actually just forgot to show you. Actually, let's add back the leader. So if you do gym leader, something to note is leaders. Marcus come online. So basically he has the fire gym, and even though I've given him a leader, it doesn't show here. So basically he doesn't even need that really. Well, he does to do the command, but it's more important that he gets the Pixelmon.gym type. So if you do /gym leaders, he now shows up in the rock gym, but he also shows in the multi-type gym. Now it's the way I've jumbled everything up with multi-type that it does this. I'll go through it. However, I may just totally take out multi-type for now and then come back at it, but we'll see. Because Human is not basically signed up for multi-type because he doesn't have more than one type, if you get me. And as you can see, his multi-type color is different to his because it's set to if two are combined, then it means that they are a multi-type. But it's weird. So I say I need to work on that. But other than that, I'm just going to get rid of this now. Let's do what we did earlier. Del P leader. Del P rock. So yep, that's it. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like. Please do get the plugin. Pretty cool. Leave a comment down on the video and on the Bukkit page what you think, if you have any suggestions, because I'm always up for suggestions. And once I get my proper release of this, that I have everything I want in, I'm not too sure what I'll also be adding, so it'll be just updates to 1.7.4 or whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.